अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन, दिस इज़ बिलाल फ्रॉम वीडियो वाली सरकार। और आज की जो वीडियो है हमारी नॉर्मल वीडियो से काफ़ी ज़्यादा डिफरेंट होने वाली है। उसकी रीज़न ये है कि आज मैं अकेला ये वीडियो नहीं बना रहा। आई हैव अ गेस्ट विद मी, शी इज़ अ फ्रेंड ऑफ माइन और एक बहुत बड़ी डेजिग्नेशन है इनकी। शी इज़ एक्चुअली द रीजनल मार्केटिंग डायरेक्टर फॉर रियलमी। और जब मेरे हाथ ये लग गई तो मैंने सोचा कि इनसे कुछ ऐसे सवालात पूछ लिए जाएं जो कि एज अ पर्सन, एज अ यूट्यूबर मेरे माइंड में भी आते हैं। आई नो फॉर अ फैक्ट कि आप लोग भी काफ़ी ज़्यादा सोचना चाहते हैं ना, एक बंदा या एक बंदी जो एक बड़े लेवल पे किसी कंपनी में मौजूद हैं, उनसे कुछ सवाल आप ऐसे पूछने चाहते हैं कि आगे फ्यूचर में क्या आ रहा है, वो किस चीज़ पे काम कर रहे हैं। तो आज उस सब चीज़ को हम कवर करने वाले हैं और वो सारे जो क्वेश्चन हैं हम इनसे पूछेंगे। एक चीज़ ज़रूर है कि मैं ये इंटरव्यू उर्दू में करना चाहता था और वो ये इंटरव्यू चाइनीज़ में करना चाहती थी। फिर कुछ लड़ाई के बाद हमारी दोस्ती हुई और हमने डिसाइड किया कि इंटरव्यू इंग्लिश में होगा, बिकॉज शी कैन अंडरस्टैंड इंग्लिश, आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड इंग्लिश, एंड आई थिंक दैट इज़ बेटर फॉर एवरीवन। सो दिस इंटरव्यू इज़ गोइंग टू बी इन इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज. However, we will add subtitles here so that you guys can easily understand what we are talking about. So, Sherry, how are you?
I'm good.
You're
Thank
good?
you so much for having me.
Yeah. Sherry, this is your first visit to Pakistan and especially to a city like Lahore.
Yeah.
How are you feeling it? How are you liking it? What is your experience?
Yeah, everything is so good. I love people here. It's just I'm sweating. It's a little bit too hot here. Yes.
Yeah, it's hot right now. Like all across Punjab, this region, it's very hot right now, and I think it's better to stay indoors. However, have you tried any local cuisines? Because Lahore as a city is favored for its
the
flavors.
food.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and the food. So have you tried any local cuisine?
Yeah, I tried the one called kebab, right?
Yeah.
It's so good. Yeah, it's so soft and very juicy.
So
like chicken.
was it spicy? Do you like spicy food?
I don't
You
actually,
don't like-
but yeah, I can stand that one, and it tastes really nice. And you know what is very interesting? I tried one Thai food
Okay.
yesterday, and,
Okay.
and it's so good.
Yeah. So the thing about Lahore is, I guess, it's a city where everyone loves food. So you can
Yeah.
find even the Pakistani cuisines, which are local to here, and even the international ones are very good here because everyone loves food. So there's a culture around the food
Yeah,
here,
I can see that.
and that is the reason why people like me are so fat, because we eat a lot.
No, you're not.
Okay, so my next question is going to be about Pakistani people
Yep.
and their connection with a brand like Realme. What do you think, how Realme connects with people in Pakistan? What is the connection? How do you see it?
Yeah, I kind of feel Pakistan people, they are so passionate, and a lot of people are young people. They are below like 25-year-old, and we think that Realme is really suitable for this market because Realme is aiming for the young people who are seeking for the best technology and no compromise on this design. So you can see that every product we launch has both good technology and a design at the same time. And also, Realme has a culture for like encourage young people to dare to leap no matter what, and you should be like dare to be anyone you want to be, and you want to live forward as Realme, because Realme is just like a 3-year-old very young kid in this
and
industry.
I always wanted to ask you this question, that Realme somehow experiments with the design a lot.
Yeah.
Like there are sometimes different colors in cell phones that
Exactly.
you don't see with other brands. Other brands usually give out colors that are already popular in the market. So what is the philosophy behind that? Is it just that Realme is experimenting, or do you think that young people like it more? That is the reason why you're doing it?
Yeah, that is exactly what we think about it, because we think that young people, they want to really stand out in a crowd. You're not that's just satisfied with the experience and performance, and at the same time, when people get together and sit around the table, and everybody will put their phone on the table, right? And if the color is great and like everything of your design is pretty stand out, then people will say, okay, what is the brand and what is the device of your smartphone? We kind of think that the smartphone is also a fashion accessory for people, and that is why we focus on design quite a lot, like the Realme 8 Pro, and you can see this color is very unique, and also at night it can shine, and you can see the brightening color in this design. And we think that is quite interesting, and that is what the young people think interesting right now.
Okay, so next question from you is going to be a question that I think is, a bit of a secret for you guys. But we have heard that Realme is planning to do a factory in Pakistan for assembly, or either has. But these are all rumors. What do you have to say about them?
Actually, what we can say is we're going to have a assembly line for Realme. Yeah, because we always believe that it is our goal to give more profit to the local end users and give the profit to them and make our phone more affordable, more cost effective. And yes, like you say, the assembly line is coming very soon, and that is pretty much why we already do the price drop for the C21, and you can see the price drop of 5,000. And in the future, I think Pakistan young people can enjoy more affordable phones in maybe the third quarter, fourth quarter. I need to ask my PR manager if I can say anything.
So it's still a secret, I think, but yes, they are working on something like that. And my next question is going to be about the future. 5G is coming. Where do you see 5G and Realme in the future? And what is Realme doing with 5G that is unique to Realme?
Yeah, I think that's a very good question. In a lot of markets, keep saying that Realme is aiming to like democratize the 5G technology from the very beginning. And in a lot of markets, we already launched some affordable 5G phone. And in the future, in Pakistan, we think that maybe in 3 years, the 5G will be quite popular, and we will start to launch the new product from this year. And we are happy to introduce a flagship product, 5G product lines, which is GT. And we're going to have several different GT products for the next half year. And that is the flagship killer. We call it flagship killer because it's in the premium price range, but it's still very cost effective compared to the other flagship products. So yeah, stay tuned.
And I believe that when you talk about GT, I think it's the only like the proper flagship that Realme is going to launch in Pakistan. Before that, I don't think so. There was a proper flagship. Realme was launching very good phones, but I don't think so there were any flagship phones coming from Realme, at least in Pakistani market.
Yeah.
So it is very exciting for us, and yeah, I'm looking forward to the whole GT situation. By the way, my audience already know about the GT because we have already unboxed the unit.
Thanks to you.
Yeah, so yeah, they were very excited, and I get these comments every single day that when is GT launching in Pakistan. So I'm very glad that you have already covered that up, because I was going to ask you and I thought that maybe she's going to reveal that, maybe she's going to keep it a secret, but I'm very happy that you revealed that. Okay, so my next question is going to be about something that I'm really concerned about, and this is a question that is related to internet companies. All the cell phone brands that call themselves internet companies are showing ads, and a lot of ads. So I want to ask you, how does Realme see those ads? How much ads is Realme planning to do in the future, and why do a company like Realme or any other brand which is an online brand need those ads?
Yeah, I'm really glad that you asked this question, because that is where we think we have big advantage in. And we believe that the user experience is always the key to the success. And for the hardware, of course, you need a very good quality. And in the software, and you need to be very clean, and you need to be more like experiencing what you want to get, right? So that is pretty much why in Pakistan we have less ads compared to other companies. And in the future, we will still insist on it, and we don't want much as to interfere people's experience when using the Realme smartphone.
Yeah. So my next question is going to be about your products that are not cell phones. I'm talking about your IoT lineup. We have seen quite some launches from you in the IoT segment,
Yes.
and the products were quite successful. But when I see the international market, I see a lot of Realme products that are not in Pakistan. So whether, I want to know whether they are coming to Pakistan or whether these are for a specific market.
Yeah, the ALT strategy is the global strategy, which is also going to launch in Pakistan very soon. And now we have a total new strategy, which is 1 + 5 + T. And for this 5, it means the TWS, and also the wearables, and the laptop, and the TV, and the speakers. And for the T, it stands for the Tech Life. So we already opened some platforms and introduced very good vendors to be partner with us and to give consumers a lot of different dynamic choices of the smart devices. And because these days people are, especially the young people, they are crazy about the things that can be connected with each other, right? So we want to create a smart and the future is tech life for them, and definitely we're going to launch here.
So if I talk about categories, what is one new category that I think Realme can launch in Pakistan? Like we have already seen your watches, those are very good. We have already seen bands coming. We have already seen TWS coming. So what is the next best thing? What is coming? Like
what is very exciting is that we're going to launch the laptop.
Oh.
Here. Yes, I know it's a very big step, and I know
I was not expecting the answer. I thought that you were going to answer something like a TV or something, but I never thought that.
It's I will give you one.
Okay. So I'm getting a laptop, and probably you are getting an unboxing for the laptop very soon on this channel.
And a lot of giveaways.
Yeah, a lot of giveaways. Okay, so maybe there is a giveaway about the laptop situation. Okay, Sherry, my next question. By the way, I've written all these questions on my cell phone so that I can ask her, because my memory is not that great, so you have to understand that. If you talk about future, do you think foldable smartphones are the future? This is one part of the question, and the other part is, do you think Realme will bring foldable phones in the future?
I think foldable phones is definitely a very cool idea, and but we think at the same time people need more like cost-effective phones and value for money phones, especially in our market, recent market. So we are trying to give people more like productive devices with a very cost-effective price, and of course, with a lot of black technology, such as the 5G, such as the charging technology in the future, probably not foldable. But I definitely think it's a good idea.
So basically, you're focusing more towards the productivity and the practical side of things instead of the things that are just, I would say, gimmicks, or maybe something that in future can make more sense when they are cheaper.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, so moving on, Sherry, this question is more about the market and less about your brand. E-commerce market is growing rapidly in Pakistan and all across the world. So what do you think e-commerce holds when it comes to future, and where does Realme see e-commerce going in Pakistan?
Yeah, actually e-commerce is one of our DNA in Realme's future and Realme's past. And we also see the opportunity in Pakistan, especially during the COVID-19 thing period, and e-commerce is growing really rapidly. And recently we signed a MOU with the Daraz and for the whole area, and because we already become like #1 for several months, and we're going to have a more strategic partnership with them, because we have a lot of growth because of the e-commerce, and also thanks to the platforms like you. We have a lot of good success cases with you. For example, the C12 and some other devices.
Yeah, I mean C12 for us was an unreal experience, I would say, because we were not expecting that amount of sale. I still remember the first 1500 units sold in like 6 minutes. And then I had to call and ask for more units, and they said we only have 500 units, and put them in the website, and in 9 minutes we were out of stock.
Exactly.
So I never thought that e-commerce in Pakistan can be this powerful. So that sale changed my whole perspective about, how the e-commerce work and how many people are interested in e-commerce. So yes, Saman.pk and Realme have been a very long time partner. In fact, I always credit Realme that they have actually brought the concept of flash sales, because there were other brands that they were doing flash sales, but they were usually not done in a way that should be done. So I think Realme was the brand that actually brought the concept forward, and people started working on it, and now flash sale is a concept that every other brand is following, and it's working very well in Pakistan.
Yes, we really appreciate the idea. Like you made this business so successful, and people like you to give more choices to the end user, that you can have a more cheaper price, and because people are more likely to become the online user, because you can see like your reviews and then you can click and then you can buy the phones. That's so convenient.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. ओके भाई, तो ये था हमारा इंटरव्यू. आई होप आपको काफ़ी कुछ नया पता लगा होगा, क्योंकि इस इंटरव्यू के स्टार्ट में काफ़ी चीज़ें मुझे पता थी या अंदाज़ा था, लेकिन कुछ मुझे भी नई चीज़ें पता लग गई हैं. मैं इस इंटरव्यू को एंड करूँगा एक क्वेश्चन से कि हाउ डज शी सी द फ्यूचर एंड व्हाट इज़ द मैसेज फ्रॉम हर टू ऑल द Realme फैंस. सो उस पर हम इसको एंड करेंगे. बट आई होप आपको ये जो इंटरव्यू पसंद आया होगा. चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें, वो लैपटॉप की अनबॉक्सिंग जल्दी आ जाएगी होपफुली. So, Sherry, we are going to end this interview, and I want to ask you one question. What is the futuristic message you want to give to all the Realme fans?
Yeah, thank you so much for the interview, and I would like to say that we really hope that in the future the assembly lines in Pakistan can give you more value for money products and make people really enjoy the most advanced technology with a good design. And in the future we're going to have the GT series. Remember, GT series is the flagship killer that we want to announce the premium and cost-effective phones who is for the consumers who are interested in the 5G phones.